The main process of their formation is salinization. They are mainly found in semi-arid regions where the temperatures are very high, leading to salinization. The third classification or class of soil is the ozonal soils. These soils are young soils. The soils are mainly influenced by erosion, mass wasting, and they have a very little amount of organic matter. They are immature, they are young soils, and the main types of ozonal soils are the mountain soils and the alluvial soils. There are very many other categories or types, but when you look at the mountain soils, they